Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. Obviously, today I'm coming to you guys from my kitchen. You guys know most of the time when I record, I do it from my office. That's where I do a lot of my discussion videos and product reviews. But today I wanted to come back and re-record a video, just giving you guys some information. This video is just more of a how-to, helpful video. One thing I love about being a content creator is the ability just to throw up a video without really having to do any kind of editing and just kind of come at you guys and talk to you guys just as if you were over at my house right now and asking me a question. And YouTube is such a great platform, not just for discovering products and doing some product research and getting different people's opinions, but also to get some insight and learn some things that maybe you have a problem that crops up. And, you know, I'm not a wasteful person. I like to try to make things last. I take care of things and products and relationships and people. You know, everything in life takes work. And I don't like to throw things away. So if I have something that fails, I'll always try to fix it. I don't really like to, get rid of things. You know, we live in a disposable society. There's nothing, I guess, wrong with that. To each their own. I'm not passing any kind of judgments. But for me, I kind of, I like to buy new things. But if it's something I already have that I made the decision to purchase, I obviously like the unit or the product, I want it to last forever, right? And unfortunately, life doesn't always work like that, but if I can prolong the life of a product, I will. So the video I'm coming back to re-record and discuss with you guys about is how to fix your microwave, and if your microwave, or how to fix specifically a sparking microwave. Now again, with YouTube, comments happen. People comment all the time, and some people are happy, and some people have all the answers. And there's always a know-it-all on YouTube, and it is what it is. YouTube, like the internet in general, gives people a platform to shoot their mouths off when normally they probably just wouldn't say anything. Again, nothing wrong with dropping a comment. I encourage you to, but when I do a video, guys, I'm not coming to you saying that this is going to fix every microwave. It's like I can't, when I do a video, put down every single disclaimer possible for that, for whatever I'm talking about. Yes, if I do a brake job video, that somebody may have something that pops up that's different than my vehicle. It's not a one size fits all approach. It's just to give you guys a little bit of insight and maybe start the process for maybe figuring this stuff out on your own, right? So my video today is about how to stop your microwave from sparking. Now, if your microwave starts sparking, it could be a lot of things, so this isn't the answer. So if this doesn't work for you, don't feel the need to get on and comment and be like, that wasn't my problem. Okay, be an adult. This is just a helpful video, and maybe, just maybe, this is the issue. So my microwave's over in the corner here. It's what is it, a Sunbeam? Just a $110, $150 microwave. I don't know. I got it a long time ago. I don't use it all that much. I feel like microwaves are something that generally last a really long time. And I'm not a commercial kitchen here, obviously. For the amount that I've used this microwave, I probably bought this back in '04 when I bought my place. And it's been great. It's nothing fancy. It's a basic Sunbeam. I use it to heat up food. That's it. I don't really cook in it, so it doesn't get a lot of use. So basically, one day the microwave started making a kind of an arcing noise, and this basically just sounds like a zzz, like electrical, right? So something was wrong. So I will tell you that if your microwave does start doing that, it is a little concerning because it is anything electrical is concerning and is a little bit scary. And so I was like, whoa! I quickly turned it off, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me! This thing is not hasn't really been used that much. So first off the bat, the disappointment. Oh, now I gotta go spend $150. I'd rather buy a new Invicta, right? So anyway, I started doing a little research. I forget exactly what path or how I discovered this. But my other videos helped a lot of people, and I just wanted to do another one, just maybe explaining it a little bit further, because in the first video, again, you guys know when I put up videos, they're usually pretty quick, and sometimes they're not the best or most informative, but that's the nice thing about YouTube. I can always come back and re-record. So this is one of my top videos. It has helped a lot of people. It helped me, and I want to show you guys what could be a potential problem if you have a microwave that's sparking. Again, not a one-size-shoot-fit-all. It's just a possibility. So let's take a look at the microwave. I'll show you guys what we have here. So right here, obviously, basic microwave like anybody else's. I believe that, and I say I believe because, again, I don't want to overgeneralize and say that every single microwave is like this, but most microwaves do have this. When you open the microwave, you will see on the inside, on most microwaves, you will see, and hopefully you guys can see this, I'm kind of squeezing myself between my cabinets and my fridge here, but right inside here there's this piece of cardboard, which looks like a piece of cardboard. I've seen it different on several different microwaves. Hopefully you guys can see that. My microwave is, like I said, it's pretty basic. It doesn't even have a light, for God's sakes. You can see it just looks like a piece of cardboard. It almost looks like something that, geez, did they forget to take something off or what? And for years I've noticed it. I just never really thought anything of it. What that is a waveguide cover. And I don't know what a waveguide does. I'm not really sure how a microwave even works. But there is a device in here that, on this particular microwave, and a lot of them that I've seen, needs to be covered. And if they're not covered, you will get a violent kind of sparking, arcing style electrical show. So a lot of times what will happen, and in my case, this waveguide cover became damaged, and over years of using the microwave, getting splatters and cleaning it and getting it wet, it just kind of had, and even now you can see it kind of has a little bit of splatters on there. Your microwave, again, may be different. They may have changed the technology, but a lot of microwaves I have seen do have something like this. And I don't know what exactly this does, but this is made of like a mica board, it's called. And so if your microwave is sparking and doing kind of some violent sparking things, this could be a potential issue on why it's doing that. So either this waveguide cover gets damaged or it gets soaked in grease and oil and food, causing it to spark and arc. So what I did is, just as a last ditch effort to try to see, hey, maybe this is the problem. It was very simple. I just popped this off, and on my particular microwave there is a little tab right here where the corner slides in, and then there's this little plastic almost like rivet, and I did have to distort the rivet a little bit to get it out. Your microwave may be different. It's not really a big deal. I just was gently kind of pried it up with some you could use some needle nose pliers or some scissors on their side, whatever you have to do on your particular microwave to get that off, and I pulled this piece of mica board out. So it's not cardboard. Like I said, it is a mica board. It is made of, I believe, mica, hence the name mica board. Again, if you guys have information on exactly what it does, again, guys, I know I can look this up. I'm sure I've looked it up in the past and read about it. We all have the phone in our pocket, so we're all spending nine hours a day staring at it while, everywhere we go. So go ahead and just Google it, and don't drop me a negative comment being like, this is what it is. You need to know what you're talking about. Just Google it, okay? I'm telling you, I don't know what it's for, but I can tell you that if it gets dirty or damaged, you might have some sparking going on. So rather than just quickly throw your microwave in the trash and go out and pick up a new one, you might try this fix and just give this a test. So what you want to do is pop this board off and then just gently clean it. Don't run it on the water. Just use a wet or damp sponge or towel and just try to get the grease off it. I actually used a little bit of degreaser, a little simple green on it. Give it a good cleaning. I think I did actually run mine a little bit under the water, but remember, it is sort of like a cardboard, kind of. It can kind of get damaged, obviously. That's why a lot of microwaves will spark and cause this problem or have this issue. So take it off and just try to get the grease off it. And if you put it back in, once it's dry, of course, wait for it to dry or towel dry it, whatever, and you find that your microwave is no longer sparking or the sparking has gotten better, that might be your problem. So let me just go ahead and turn back to you guys so I can kind of conclude what I want to say here, finish the video. So if you guys, again, do have that problem, now as far as the mica board is concerned, or where you're going to buy this stuff, you're going to want to look at like electronics repair shops. For me, I don't even really remember the name of the company I got mine from, but I did end up getting it locally. And so there was a guy, I just started making a few phone calls on electronics repair, appliance repair, and I kind of got led in the right direction for a guy locally who says, yeah, I have mica board. And he actually just said, hey, you know what, I'm not working today. Come out to my house. I'll leave you some on the front porch. I'm going to be out back doing something. Just pick it up. This was years ago, by the way, before the whole COVID thing. But he was nice enough just to cut me a nice sheet of it, maybe by, what was it, maybe 10 by 10, whatever, 10 by 11, 11.5 by 12, whatever. And I was able to get it home. Once you get it home, all you want to do is just take your old mica board plate off. This is probably a good idea if your microwave is sparking and you clean it and it is better, or you might want to replace it anyway, but hey, if like the old saying, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. If you do clean it and it works and it buys you some time, great. At least maybe you'll be able to buy you some time to go buy a piece of mica board. It's good to have around. I do have a little bit left over in case I need to replace it again. And what you want to do is very gently, at your own risk, of course, take an X-Acto, take a blade, and basically just trace out the old shape, kind of common sense, cut the shape. Mine, basically, I had to cut the little square, and then where that rivet is, I just took a drill and gently drilled a hole in where that rivet was going to pop it into place. Again, your microwave might have a clip, might have something totally different, and see if that works for you. And that worked for me. That saved me 150 bucks. And I know, is it the end of the world? It was kind of, you know, in the beginning I was like, oh, well, that's cool to get a new microwave. But again, for me, this microwave was functional. It's fine. It matches my kitchen. I didn't, you know, it wasn't the end of the world if I had to buy a new one, but I hate wasting things. And for me personally, nothing's more fun than getting new stuff and having new cool products to look forward to. But if it's something I'm replacing, I do kind of get annoyed. I feel like if I have it already, it's not like something fun. I'm just replacing what I already had and spending money. And if you're like me, I don't like to do that. I'd rather take that money and buy a new watch, buy something else for my car, whatever, right? New cologne, new shirt, new pants. You guys get the idea. So yeah, try that. It might fix your problem. If it does, drop me a comment, give the video a thumbs up. And again, remember guys, that's the cool thing about YouTube. There's all kinds of information out there. And if I've led you on a path to maybe fix your own microwave, then fantastic. Again, it might be a little bit difficult. You're not going to be able to go to one of your big box stores and find this stuff. It is kind of a hard thing to find. I will, however, put a link in description where you can buy it. It's relatively cheap. I think it's under 10 bucks for a decent sized sheet you'll get several pieces out of for the future. Honestly, when you do cut a piece, you'll probably not have to replace it again again, if you're a heavy microwave user, your microwave might get splattered quite a bit. That might be, you get deteriorated, get more damage than mine. Again, mine, I cleaned it and it didn't fix the problem, but I could tell that by cleaning that and getting some of that grease off it, it definitely got better. So I was like, let me put a brand new piece in. Once I did that, the microwave was as good as new again. So just a quick fix, simple fix if your microwave is sparking. Again, guys, I hope you this video is, one, enjoyable, and two, I hope you find it more importantly useful. And if I can help you any further, drop me a comment, drop me an email. My email's in the description of every single video. I'm always here to help, guys. So have a wonderful day, folks, and take care.